Hey everyone, my name is Michael J. C. Jugar, and our next topic is all about the major religions. First, we have Judaism, second, Christianity, third, Islam, fourth, Hinduism, and five, we have Buddhism. First, we're going to talk about Judaism. So, what is Judaism? Judaism encompasses the religion, philosophy, and culture of the Jewish people. It is characterized by belief in one transcendent God who has revealed himself to Abraham, Moses, and the Hebrew prophets, and by a religious life in accordance with the scriptures and rabbinic traditions. And their sacred text is the Torah. Trivia about Judaism. Judaism is the oldest of the Abrahamic religions and the predecessor of Christianity and Islam. Jews remain faithful to the writings of the Torah, which was believed to have been handed to Moses on Mount Sinai, and the Tanakh, the books of the prophets, the kings, and some other religious writings. So, second, we have Christianity. Christianity is an Abrahamic monotheistic religion based on the life and teachings of Jesus Christ, who serves as the focal point of the Christian faith. For Christians, the Word of God is written in the Bible. Trivia: the world's largest religion is Christianity. To date, it has 2.1 billion followers worldwide. Third, we have Islam. Islam is the religious faith of Muslims who worship Allah as the sole deity and believes Muhammad is his prophet. The holy scriptures of Islam is the Quran. Interesting Islam facts. The word Islam means submission or surrender. The root word of Islam is salam, which means peace. The word Islam in religious terms means surrender one's will to the true will of God to achieve peace. A Muslim is one who surrenders himself to God's true will. Fourth, we have Hinduism. Hinduism, considered the world's oldest religion, is still commonly practiced. Hinduism combines the beliefs, philosophy, and cultural practices of India. Hindu practitioners are guided by Vedic scriptures and believe in righteousness, the laws of cause and effect, and the cycle of birth and death. Central to the faith is a belief in reincarnation and one supreme god called Brahma, who has multiple manifestations as either a god or goddess. Gods and goddesses can be spirits, trees, animals, and even planets. Interesting Hinduism facts. First, the word Hindu originates from the Indian Indus River. There are more than 1 billion followers of Hinduism in the world today. Hinduism is not a single religion, rather, it is practiced by many different religious groups from India. Most of Hinduism's sacred texts were written in Sanskrit in ancient times. The oldest ancient sacred texts of Hinduism are called the Vedas. Veda means knowledge. The Vedas include Rig Veda, Yajur Veda, Sama Veda, and Atharva Veda. And lastly, we have Buddhism. Buddhism refers to the teachings of Gautama Buddha. Buddha, originally a follower of the Hindu faith, experienced enlightenment or Buddhi while sitting under a tree. It was in this moment that Buddha was said to be awakened to the truth of the world, or the Dharma. Buddha, an ordinary man, taught his followers how to follow the path to enlightenment. Thus, Buddhism does not believe in a divine realm or God as a supernatural being, but instead follows the wisdom of their founder. Interesting Buddhism facts. First, Buddha is also known as the Enlightened One or the Awakened One. When Buddha was 35, he meditated under a fig tree, the Bodhi tree, for several days until he attained enlightenment. Buddha spent the rest of his life teaching his followers in the northeastern Indian subcontinent the path of awakening. Buddha lived to the age of 80. He died in Kushinagar, India in 483 BC.